Hymie Jacobson wrote the orchestrations. He was the musician. Irving Jacobson, the other brother, he did a comedy act, and he was called Schnitzelputzel. That was his name. He was a baggy pants comedian, old clown kind of baggy pants comedian. Truth is that he was the business head of this whole organization, but he did do this comedy act, and everybody had to learn how to spell Schnitzelputzel, which was Schneeyitzel, P-Wutzel with a capital Putzel. But Hymie Jacobson was the one who was the leader, the orchestrator, and the music person.
What was he like?
I'm picturing him. It's hard to what did he look like? Not that tall. I guess maybe about 5'8" was considered tall, I guess, at one time. And he was just, you'd say, just ordinary. Not heavy, not thin, and very nice, and very talented, tremendously talented. I mean, you hummed something to him, and he made an orchestration out of it. He was fantastic. His brother, of course, Irving, was chubby and smart. He ran the business. Smart enough so that when they paid me for my big performances there, we would do four on a Friday night, 5 on a Sunday. I mean, we really worked. Also on Saturday. He paid me in single dollar bills because it looked like a big thing of money that I was paid. Probably $25, but in single dollar bills.